What was thought as an icebreaker to the long-standing IEBC stalemate is transforming to a fresh bout of political grandstanding. CORD now claiming, after promising to consider formation of a joint technical team to unlock the deadlock, the president has backtracked on the deal.
And I can swear in the Bible. We told them, and I repeat exactly what I've said here. You told them that there's nothing wrong, and I told Ruto, you represented us as ODM in the Serena process. And he knows that. So we told them, you nominate 5, we nominate 5. They told us they were going to consider. Yesterday, it was so dishonest in public.
CORD's technical team includes Senators James Orengo as the lead member with Johnston Muthama. Other members are MPs Eseli Simiyu for Tongaren, Mishi Mboka Mombasa County Women's Rep, and Suna East MP Junet Mohammed, who replaced Mbalambala parliamentarian Abdikadir Eden. The CORD team saying they await on the Jubilee's team to initiate talks.
What we have proposed is very reasonable, and we expect Jubilee to honor so that we completely leave this politics of grandstanding.
Jubilee has ruled out a special joint team for the talks, the ruling administration arguing that the Parliamentary Justice and Legal Affairs Committee can effectively address CORD's concerns.
I now wonder why we want to transact the business of Kenya, either over a tete-a-tete, over a cup of tea, or in street engagements clouded by clouds of tear gas.
To follow the law and constitutional means. I want to remind him or to tell us in public when he was chasing Kimayo from being Inspector General.
But as both parties dig in, CORD insists the talks should be crafted along the Serena 2008 structure to reach a compromise deal. CORD holding ground, they will resume the angry street protest should Jubilee fail to initiate dialogue. Samogina Citizen live at 9.